Welcome back to another episode of Amazing Kitchen. Today we have something very simple and special. This is the Chinese pocket egg. Now what the pocket egg is, a over easy egg that the inside is very soft while the outside is completely white. So it looks like a nice little purse or pocket because of the yolk, and the outside is completely white, so it's beautiful. Now this dish, having it over some white rice with some light soy sauce, good quality light soy sauce, is the key. Now this simple dish only involves 3 ingredients: egg, soy sauce, and white rice. So once these 3 ingredients are done perfectly, this is like a match made in heaven. It's so simple but so difficult to get right because the egg needs to be soft, the yolk needs to be watery, and the rice needs to be tender and moist, while the soy sauce cannot be too light, cannot be too rich in flavor, but cannot be too light also. So this is a good quality soy sauce. I'll list it below in the description which one I use. And this is an extra large egg, and this is perfect. I grew up on this, and this is something like, it's almost like ramen or instant noodle. This is another version of like a quick fix but tasty. So let's dip into it quickly. Oh, look at this. The egg is just running. If you can see it, I don't know if you can see it. It's all wet and moist, and we allow that to just drip over our rice and mix it in with the soy sauce. And this dish is just absolutely amazing. Been dying to try something like this for a very long time. You have the yolk just run over your rice, the soft, moist, white part of the egg. This is just amazing. Now let's give this a try. Ooh. Wow. It's so smooth and velvety, and because we cook this in coconut oil, so it has this nice aroma of coconut oil coming through the egg with the saltiness of the soy sauce and the moist and soft white rice. This is just absolutely amazing. This looks like a very simple dish, but if you can get it perfectly done on the egg and the rice, this is just something to die for. That's all you need: soy sauce, egg, and rice, nothing more. And the yolk provides the extra sauce and flavor over the rice. Wow. The yolk is just like keeping your rice from drying out. It's really adding extra moisture to it. Wow, this is something for midnight snack, for breakfast. This is just perfect. You know, you should really give this a try. I know it looks simple, but you should give it a try and let me know what you think. Okay, I will finish this while you remember to subscribe and hit the bell button if you're already subscribed. If you haven't yet, remember to check out other videos and make sure you hit the subscribe button. Give us a suggestion in the comment below on our future videos. Until next time, we'll see you again. Bye now. Bon appetit.